All right, definitely one of those days where it was hard to get out of bed because it's so darn cloudy, and looks like tomorrow morning might be more of the same.
I know. Unless you're excited about some snow, if you're in the right areas of Maine, we'll see some snow showers coming in tomorrow. But yeah, we're going to be hard pressed to get some sun over the next couple of days. But once we get into the weekend, that's when we'll start to see some changes. But very early this morning, in addition to the cloud cover making it difficult to get out of bed, our low temperatures also really did not help. A lot of us getting into the single digits early this morning and negatives into Bangor and Millinocket as well. So overall, this morning was a very chilly one, but we're going to see some changes, especially because we have more cloud cover overnight tonight. It's going to help our temperatures be a little bit warmer. Now, we were able to bounce back to right around average temperatures for this time of year, getting into the upper 20s to lower 30s. Our average high for this time of year is 32, and we're going to gradually get warmer. We've already reached the coldest point of the year. Now, overnight temperatures are going to be helped a little bit by the amount of cloud cover we saw today. Now, yesterday was a lot colder, but a lot sunnier. Today was a little bit warmer and significantly cloudier. We did have a couple of breaks late in the day in the interior, but overall, for a lot of us, it was a mostly cloudy to an overcast day. Now, low temperatures tonight aren't going to drop much farther than the temperatures that we have right now, getting into the upper teens to lower 20s. Overall, in some places, almost a 20-degree difference. So we're really going to see a lot of temperatures tonight being a little bit warmer, but we're still going to be below freezing in all areas overnight tonight. Now, as we get into the day tomorrow, right around sunrise is where we're going to start to see some of those snow showers begin to move into northern Maine. Now, this is a clipper system, and it doesn't really have that much moisture or power behind it, so we are going to see a lot of snow from this system. The best chances of seeing snow definitely going to be into the mountains and then into northern and eastern Maine. I would say closer to the southern coast, just seeing a little bit of snow showers. And then right along the immediate coastline, we'll actually see rain because it's going to be just too warm to see some snow there. So overall, there isn't a lot of moisture, like I said, with this system, so accumulating amounts of snow aren't going to be a whole lot. This system actually does get a little bit more powerful. You can see that here right behind me, just as it gets off the coast, but it really isn't going to have enough power to give a lot of snow or rain to us here in Maine. Now, after this system goes through, we don't have a lot to talk about. It's going to be very quiet as we get over this next 7 to 10 day period. We can see that here, our future snowfall, really about 1 to 2 inches into northern and eastern Maine. Overall, not a lot with this system. So I'll let the European model play as we go over the next couple of days because really there isn't anything to see. Looking at Maine here, we're going to have high pressure and control really for the next 7 to 10 days after the snow goes through tomorrow. And we aren't going to have a lot to talk about here in the weather office. But our temperatures are going to moderate. Best chance for some 40s is going to be for the day on Friday. Marine forecast sees 2 to 4 feet, water at 38 degrees. So we have our snow showers coming in for the day tomorrow, lingering a little bit into Friday as well, warming up a little bit. And then as we get into the weekend is when things are going to get a little bit chillier, Zach, but at least the sunshine then will be returning.
Yeah, but into the low 40s, that's warm by winter standards, I
suppose. We'll start to melt that snow.
Thanks, Dana.